On March 12, 2026, an off-duty lieutenant spotted a silver sedan swerving violently through traffic, sparking a high-stakes stop for a driver named Tammy who was dangerously fed up behind the wheel.
Are you kidding me? Why is it always you?
It's always me. Are you trying to go home or something?
Fine.
I see you found your phone.
Hey, hon, can you roll down your window just a little bit further for me, please?
I'll bet you can't. I took her keys.
Oh, okay. Hi, it's me.
Out of my car.
I'm just checking on you. I can't hear from that side.
Why are you in my car?
Because I need to check on you, hon. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
They need to ask them questions.
They can ask me a question by getting in my car.
I'm not in your car. I'm standing right here in the roadway.
How much have you had to drink tonight? You what? You gotta go?
Just,
All right, go ahead.
Do you have any medical complaints right now?
No.
Are you feeling okay?
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, we're not gonna go right now. Matter of fact, I'm gonna have you step out here, okay? Go ahead and step out here for me. I'm not asking you. Step out of the car.
I didn't pee.
Huh?
I want to.
Okay, go ahead and step out here for me.
I want to.
I'm not asking you. Go ahead and step out of the car.
I didn't pee.
You gotta pee? Alright, well step out. I'm gonna do a DUI investigation, so you're gonna get out of the car, okay? It's already in Drup Park. Tammy, step.
Don't.
Tammy,
No.
step out of the car.
come on, honey.
Just listen to him.
Come on.
Don't be difficult.
No. Don't touch me.
Okay.
Yeah, that's fucked up.
Huh? You're fucked up?
No, I didn't say that. I said, don't touch me. What's that called?
I tell you what, while you think about that, can I look at your eyes real quick?
Yeah, but it's like that thing is like when you walk high thing. It's like what's that called?
I have no idea.
That thing when you up high and do.
I don't know. Well, think about it for a minute. Okay. So I'm going to ask that you field sobriety exercises. Are you willing to do those?
Yeah.
All right. Well, let's go ahead and walk back here a little bit.
Okay. What do you want me to do?
I want you to walk back here in front of my car.
That car?
Yep, that police car right there. Can you walk back there in front of that one?
You know that thing called. What's it called? That sentinel thing stuff.
You have what?
The thing is like. What's that called? My daughter got it.
Do me a favor.
Ew.
Can you put your glasses on your head for me?
No.
Why not?
Why say that?
Huh? I want to look at your eyes real quick. Can you step over maybe and see if you can block her? He's just trying to block the sun for you.
Here.
There you go. Can you see this
What are
red?
you?
I'm Lieutenant Bloom. I'm the one that stopped out with you right away.
Is like that, it killed this thing?
I don't know where you just said.
Can you see this red light here?
Listen to Deputy Young.
Follow this with
Yes.
your eyes and your eyes only, okay? Keep your head still, just with your eyes, okay? So you're not going to do the exercises?
What exercise?
All right, let's go ahead and walk back here. I tell you, I'm doing a DUI investigation. How much have you had to drink tonight?
About 2 drinks.
There's 2 drinks?
Yeah, about.
She's going to pull forward, and I'm going to have you have a seat on her car.
I don't want to sit in a car.
All right, well, then I need you to come stand back here.
I don't want to sit back there.
It's not an option,
Why?
because I'm doing a DUI investigation. And I want you to do fields. So if you don't want to do fields, I can make a decision based on the evidence I've already witnessed to this point.
The roadside investigation took a heartbreaking turn when Tammy's own family arrived on the scene, not to defend her, but to beg her to finally admit she had a drinking problem before she killed someone.
All right, y'all with family?
Yeah, it's my sister with no shit.
Okay. She's going to jail for DUI.
Figure that.
She is lucky she didn't kill someone, because she is fucking destroyed. I mean,
What's that?
she can't even walk.
What's the level?
I don't know. I just asked her to do a breath test. She says she's willing to. We'll do it here in a few minutes.
Oh, you don't know yet?
No, not yet.
Okay.
Come here.
Okay, so come sit right there.
Hands up. You got it. All right.
You think it's sweet. Oh, they're sweet. I'm just tired and I want to go home.
So what all that says is if you refuse to do the breath test, your driver's license is going to be suspended for 1 year. So are you willing to do the breath test? Huh?
That's good.
I just need yes or no. Are you willing to do it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Hello.
What?
She's going to jail for DUI.
Lucky she didn't hurt nobody.
Yeah,
Or
or herself.
Because she's got 2 young kids. She's got 4 kids and 2 of them are not even 2 yet.
I told them the gentleman in the Jeep up there, he's Lieutenant Bloom. He's like our public information lieutenant. So she got over here, he stopped. He's in his personal vehicle, he stopped. He's like, hey, are you okay? What's going on? And she's like, are you diabetic or something? And she said she was sick, so they called medics out to check her, but she gave medics a hard time and refused everything.
Because she's not allowed to drink.
What you she had?
And there's a reason why she's not allowed to drink, is because she gets like that.
He's been behind her since about Pine Road, and he said she's been back and forth. Everyone's having to stop because she's going back and forth.
Right.
They came up here and she was in the right turn lane, and they cut all the way over, cut everyone off to get in the left turn lane. No, thankfully not.
Yeah. She probably had 1 drink, and that's how she gets.
She said she's had 2, is what she told me.
Yeah, well, she doesn't drink that often,
So
and it hits her
like
fast.
I said, is she on any medications?
They said she had something.
She said she's been trying to say stuff, but I can't.
I don't think she had it for her
done. I don't know about
Okay.
her shoulder. She's had.
Is it something in her body that like just
Yeah.
rejects it?
I think it was after that stroke she had when she was in her 30s. After that,
They really didn't say what it was, but it had to be something that,
They just said that's
She
what
could
they
have 1
said.
drink and she's intoxicated. It don't have to be strong either.
a lot of things done. She's not being honest with me.
Because if she's on medications with alcohol, like pain pills, certain CNS depressants,
Yeah.
if you,
No,
if you
I know she
Okay.
does have depression, but I don't think
She don't take it no more.
Yeah, I don't
Okay,
think
I was about to say some medications. If you take a medication and drink one
Yeah.
drink, it's like 10x is the
Yeah,
effects
because
of
it
so.
dilutes it.
But yeah, she's so bad. Like I said, she
Oh,
can't, she can't walk,
Oh, I
she
know.
can't talk, she can't.
Several
One
years
drink.
ago, she was on the floor, passed out, and she was almost dead. Are we allowed to say anything to her?
I'll let you talk to her if you want. If you want to come talk to her, I'll let you talk to her real quick, and I'll let you know when to talk.
But,
I think you got a friend here. Well, hello, Mom. Do you know why?
what?
Why are you doing this? Are you done with your life?
Well,
You got your grandbaby. You got everything to live for, Mom.
I know I do.
Then why are you drinking? Not anymore. Mom, you know you could have killed somebody or yourself. This is serious. Mom, you need help.
You beat me for dinner and you just
She
take off.
got pissed. That's what happened. Something pissed her off and she left. When she gets like this, she doesn't want to talk to nobody.
I didn't even know if you were told me you could have changed your mind, you didn't want to go.
She's not gonna.
But then you were drinking, I wouldn't even have invited you over.
Are they gonna give her water or something at least?
Oh yeah, there's water. They'll give her. She'll see a nurse as soon as she goes there. I'm gonna be honest.
Oh, okay.
I have a feeling they're gonna make me take her to the hospital. I'm gonna be 100% honest. So.
Oh yeah. She works at Okay,
That's why we use Advent because it charges us 4 times more. You want to jump in and do one real quick?
The date was March 12, 2026, and at 4:41 p.m., an off-duty lieutenant witnessed a silver sedan swerving violently across lanes, nearly triggering multiple collisions. When the vehicle was finally pulled over, the driver, identified as Tammy, was anything but cooperative. Despite admitting she was effed up, she stubbornly refused to exit the car, complaining about the officer's presence and claiming she urgently needed a restroom. The situation took a heartbreaking turn when Tammy's own family arrived on the scene. They confronted her directly, pleading with her to acknowledge her drinking problem and reminding her of past health scares. Ignoring their pleas, Tammy refused to perform field sobriety exercises or provide a breath sample, leaving officers with no choice but to place her under arrest for DUI. Tammy later pleaded guilty and was sentenced to 12 months of probation and a 1-year license revocation. It's a sobering look at how a single afternoon behind the wheel can jeopardize an entire family's peace. Subscribe for more videos and witness the raw reality of police encounters with Bodycam Real Files. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload.